Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Tradovate account. First, before requesting deletion of your Tradovate account, make sure to close all open options. This means you need to close all active trades and cancel any working orders. Also, ensure your account balance is $0 by withdrawing any remaining funds because account with open positions cannot be closed. Next, withdraw your remaining funds. Log into Tradovate, go to Settings, then Banking, and select Withdraw Funds. Submit your withdrawal request and wait for the funds are fully processed. Double check that your balance shows $0 before proceeding. If you are paying for market data, go to Settings, then Market Data Subscriptions, and cancel any active subscriptions. This step prevents any future charges from being applied to your account. Since Tradovate does not allow self-deletion inside the dashboard, you must contact support. Go to Help, then Support, and submit a ticket. Select the topic as account closure request and include your full name, account number, and the email linked to your account. Support may request additional verification, such as ID verification, security confirmation, or a final confirmation via email. Respond promptly to these requests to ensure the account closure is completed successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.